We have 8 years until 2030, and we already have some very significant climate goals to reach there. And we have to decide whether we reach them as an innovator or as a customer for somebody else's innovation.
Your sector has a huge role to play, helping transform our union into a modern, resource-efficient and competitive economy. This sector is already making important contributions to the economy, the environment and society. And in areas like genomics, we are convinced the best is yet to come. It will be crucial to keep building up the scientific knowledge we need, especially in areas like the application of these techniques to microorganisms.
Biotechnology is a driving force in bioeconomy and vice versa. It overlaps, it interacts, it depends on each other for sustainable future solutions. And we need to draw more attention to this and truly enable its impact.
Industrial biotech is so powerful because it allows the use of renewable raw materials in a vast diversity of products and chemical intermediates. It's increasing the productivity and the efficiency of the process. It's reducing the use of hazardous chemicals and high energy intensive processes. It improves the product quality and effectiveness. And by this, overall, it's an enabler of the Green Deal. I'm absolutely convinced Europe needs to balance innovation and regulation in a new way, now. And we must invest in biotechnology, we must invest in fermentation capacity and in digitalization and blockchain. Modern innovations needs agile and supportive regulatory and policy frameworks.
Simplest and clearest messages we say to governments: whatever the policy is, make sure it's consistent, make sure it's long-term. The private sector can't do that, but I think the public sector can divorce itself and say, whatever you do, consistency and long-term, so that the private sector isn't scared to invest.
All the stakeholders have to work together, public, plus politics, plus industry. We have to have more training in biotechnology at school. We have to have more understanding. And then we automatically will have less pressure on the side of politics, because the politicians in a democratic system, they follow the public. If we have a high degree of acceptance with the public, then everything else will be easier for us and will be on a more rational basis.